Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today we're gonna talk about a lot of plugins, like multiple plugins, not a lot but multiple plugins, just to create animations in our Tailwind CSS. So of course, if you are viewing this video, you already know why Tailwind CSS is great. Like those utility classes, though is easy to use, like built-in classes to control anything in just your HTML. So that's a great thing, and the extend feature and all. You know why Tailwind is great, right? So we will just look into how will we apply the smooth little, like not smooth but little animations, teeny tiny movements, and a lot of things into one website. So I have recently come to know about all of those because I was rebuilding the bond site for our launch. So obviously something we should keep an eye on. I will obviously promote it on my channel in future videos. So let's dive into what we were talking today. Oh, so here is animate.css. I don't know how many of you already know about animate.css. So animate.css is basically library of CSS animation. Yes, that's just it. But they have huge collection of like animations, and really great cool animations are there. So obviously you can use it in your in your web project or web development project, HTML file and all. But it will not directly work with Tailwind CSS. Like obviously it will work, but obviously there will be some glitches and it's not compatible. That's it. So what we will do then, so there is all, I have recently found out a great article that is by Divyan Singh. So he had made this article where he was discussing about different packages of same animate.css for using it into Tailwind. So what I have found first, that is one GitHub repo of Tailwind animate CSS, that is by, I don't know his name, but I think his name is Benz, obviously. What I can figure out from her or his, obviously it's his, from his name, username. So whatever. So he have developed this animate.css bundle that you can obviously install, npm install. And there are some plugin requirements that you have to do, like plugin extensions. After that you can obviously start using it, and that's fairly enough easy way to use it. But here Deviance has made another plugin for same thing, like same animate Tailwind CSS, like animate CSS for Tailwind. So what he have done, so why, if you want to use his package, npm package, you have to obviously first apply the JIT. So you can obviously understand why he made this plugin on the first place, because of this new introduction of JIT mode and all. So obviously go through his blog. It's short, it's pretty short, and you will obviously understood why he have done this. So yes, he has his plugin also, and in his plugin you have to apply, like, not apply but turn on the JIT mode and do the stuffs. Obviously, like if you want to turn on the JIT mode, you have to obviously set up the purge location and all. So that's another thing. So I haven't gone for his plugin. Instead I have used the same old plugin of animate CSS Tailwind, like what they call Tailwind CSS that animate CSS. So I have used it. So those are fair enough, simple little plugins to use animate CSS in your Tailwind development environment. Yeah, and this animate CSS, like this repository is so cool that I have used it with those all of those pre-built Tailwind utility classes also, like hover or like normally. And there is another thing called animate infinite, so you can turn that on also. Like obviously you know what hover means, like when you hovering, the animation will trigger. So yeah, it's great. It's great, and it's work with pre-built utility classes also. But here's another thing. So sometimes you have seen that when you scroll through a website, the things appears, like a card appear, a car ease in or ease out, or fly in fly out. So those kind of animations also happen. So for that, there is another plugin, that is WowJS. I don't know why they have used Dodge or Doggy, whatever you may wanna call them, but they may like it. That's why they have used it. So here is WowJS. WowJS obviously uses animate.css, and they have built it over it, like built upon it, built on the top, or not upon, built on the top of it. And they have just created this WowJS. So what WowJS does, you can obviously use the same animate CSS animations and use it while scrolling. So isn't that great? Obviously it's great. So here is a thing, so you can obviously use it also. But here is the warning or the caution: I don't know how to use WowJS in the Tailwind classes. So if anyone know about it, please let me know. It will be a great help, because I also wanted it to figure out like how to use WowJS plugin into my Tailwind classes. So if you know, please let me know. Please let me know. It will help me a lot. Okay. And I want to use both of the animate CSS and Tailwind, like WowJS as well. So if you know, please let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's about it about this video. I will put all of the links in the description, so you can go through all of them and understand it and grasp the subject what I am telling right now. This video may be a little overwhelming, but trust me, those elements and those plugins are great, and those will save you a lot of time. You don't have to like create every other animation by your own. So how much cool is that, right? So that's it for this video. If you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about, or if you also like to tinker about all of these plugins, web apps, resources, great cool resources, or anything, please let me know about all of them in the comments, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye.